Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Viewers, today I am going to share with you Bengali style Katla Diye Macher Jhol recipe, green mustard leaves recipe with fish. For making this recipe I have taken some pieces of katla fish. You can make this recipe with other fish also. Rub some salt and turmeric powder like this. Next, fry the fish pieces until it's slightly golden brown color like this. Our fish fry is done, so take it out. In the same remaining oil I am going to add cumin and fenugreek seed. Add quarter teaspoon cumin and fenugreek seed. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant. You can add some slated green chili. Next I am going to add some roughly chopped green mustard leaves along with a potato and 2-3 slated green chili. Add all the three ingredients together and stir continuously for 2 minutes over medium to high flame. Don't over fry the potato and the green mustard leaves, just stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Next add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon cumin powder. I have mixed the cumin powder with black pepper. In this recipe don't add red chili powder. This recipe goes well with only green chili. Cover for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes I have opened the lid. Now mix everything well. Combine the masala with potato and the green mustard. Cook over medium to low flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. Stir continuously. It's a simple but delicious and healthy recipe. Next I am going to add hot water. Add a full glass hot water. Turn to high heat and bring it to boil. Add salt according to your taste. Cover with the lid and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes until the potato is soft. After 4 to 5 minutes, take out the lid and add the fried fish pieces. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes over medium to high heat. In between you can flip the fish pieces so that it will be well cooked. See, our delicious yummy Katla Diye Macher Jhol is ready. Serve it with hot steamed rice. It's a healthy delicious recipe. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.